Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to make the GRN after making a PO. Just go inventory and stock transaction GRN, click on it. You can see it, click on it. Yes, here is our interface. You can see it, click on add button. If you are going to make a new transaction, if you want to find anything, you can click on find button. As you want to see the previous transaction, you can find it. Here is the document type. As you can see, current status, update, release for approved, in process, and no order. Select the approve, select the supplier. As you can see, challan number, if you have available, you can put it. I'm going to put random number, gate pass number, then warehouse. For location, you must have a location, and the previous PO we have made, as you can see, it's came over here. Please select it. That's great. And you can see the previous transaction we made came drop down over here. 2 rows. First item 30 single CVC 20 bags, which we have put in our purchase order, and second item 30 single cotton 100% we have recently made in our purchase order. For example, purchase order quantity 20 and you have received quantity in your GRN is 10, so you can click on edit button right over here, right corner. Okay, that's great. And change the quantity. For example, you have received 10 bags of the yarn, so you updated 10 bags in the column and click on save button, update it. Please wait, it's updating. That's great. You can see it's updated 10 bags. Once we have changed in our raw, we actually call grid, and we are also called raw. If you want to change your second grid, you can click on edit button and you can easily change. Might be possible you have received 5 bags out of 10, so you can update it. Once you update all the information in your transaction, select the cost center, finance. For example, I randomly put the cost center in a setup, finance. Click on it. Then click on the save. Click on the confirmation. Yes. Yes, successfully saved. Then click on the find mode. You can find the previous item you have recently made. Just wait for it. It's loading. Oh, that's great. Select the document type, GRN stock. Click search button. Wait for it. Now you can see the grid appear on your screen. Click on action button. Once you create the GRN stock, then you have to make purchase invoice in your system.